You could be on the left side. Maybe that'll help you.
The thing was like,
Your gun was off?
like, yeah, I think it was shooting. I would aim there and it was shooting.
Likely story to blame the gun. Just say.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.
Triangle.
Oh, but you want to shoot the ones that are lit up?
Yeah? We got Space Scout.
Yeah, 2 Space Scout.
Beep, beep, beep. Shirt with Ray and BB-8 going into the Disneyland castle.
Mm-hmm. On your ears.
And bippity boppity bop ears with the Disneyland castle on them.
From Jolly Holiday. It's a croissant.
It looked like mac and cheese to me, but it's not.
It's croissant, egg, bacon, and cheese.
And fruit.
And fruit.
And then a cinnamon roll.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a perfect view of Main Street. And yours was like 7 something.
It was $7.19, and yours was like $5.
Yeah, it's $13 for like a small breakfast here.
That's good.
We had to go. They were amazing, but we don't want to miss our fast pass.
Yeah, it makes me want to go watch it.
You want to what?
Yeah, it makes me want to go watch it again.
I know, they're so good.
Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go watch Phantasm.
They don't dance with the characters at World.
No. That was pretty cool. And a second. Here we go.
Go. Bye, goat.
Mrs. Wilson all around her. The daffodils are smiling at the doves. When Mary holds your hand, you feel so grand. Your butt starts quaking like a big cross band.
Ciao, people.
Get it over by a horsey.
Where are we?
Ta-da.
Cafe Orleans.
Ta-da.
We're sitting right here.
Look at this view. Like,
It's pretty awesome.
I asked for anything outside, but I didn't expect to get by the edge.
Yeah, that's really great.
That's amazing. Huh.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
in love with this
I'm ready for some food. Alright.
Yeah. This is pretty awesome.
I like it.
Haven't even got our food yet, and I'm already like, oh, this is great.
You can just hold the concrete out there and be like, do you want some?
Do you want to
No.
fry? That would be so mean.
Yeah, I know.
That would be so mean.
Just walk it. Yeah, take your napkin and just kind of walk it that way. What,
You say you're sorry.
No, you bring people into the thing.
Well, that's how you get business for them? Actually, they were taking walk-ups,
I told you.
which is so weird.
I know. See? I'm helping out the business.
There you go.
You're welcome.
We got the Mark Twain going that way, and the Columbia over there,
Yep.
and Tom Sawyer Island just across.
Uh-huh. So we got our food. You got your French onion and your pommes. And I got my Monte Cristo, which I'm interested to see how the combination of flavors is going to work out. I've heard it's really good. Try your French onion. It's probably really hot, by the way. Oh yeah, look at all that cheese on top.
Cheese.
That's a French onion soup. Be careful.
Just as good as the orgasm.
Just as good. Awesome. That's what I want to hear.
Powdered sugar all over already.
I was just breathing.
What'd you get? Or what do you think? Did you take a bite?
Mm-hmm. That's very good.
It's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I definitely recommend the French onion soup. That layer of cheese on the top is just like perfect. This is almost, I think this is better than the Pierre Guest one.
Is it?
I don't know.
You absolutely love that one.
I love that one. And these pommes frites, they're not just regular French fries.
No, they have Parmesan. Sorry, I think I've got a ton of sugar on my face.
They've got Parmesan and other seasoning on them, so they're really good.
Yeah, there's some kind of a seasoning on there as
Here we
well.
get our dessert.
What do we get?
Mickey Bayonets? I don't know if I'm sure it's from. I'm not sure if I'm
I
pronouncing that
haven't
right.
seen the word, so I don't know. You said bayonets?
Let me look it up, and then I'll show you, and you can tell me if I pronounced it right.
Okay. All right, so
What's
we're
that stuff?
so full.
I don't think I can walk.
That was a lot of good food.
Like, it's just very filling, but so good.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.